Hi guys, I'm Walter. I'm lead engineer at Kaleidoswap, and today I'm going to show you our application and what we built. So Kaleidoswap is a desktop application that allows users to trade seamlessly RGB assets on top of Lightning. So this is our website. So here you can see a main introduction of the application, and basically here you can see the main features of the application. So you can trustless trade multi-assets on top of Lightning. There is an integration with RGB LSP that allow users to have liquidity in order to trade assets on Lightning. You can manage your channels. You can see your transaction history. So there are a lot of features that we implemented in Kaleidoswap, but currently we are still in alpha development status. So stay tuned for future release in mainnet, but at the current moment, you can trade in test network in a test environment. So expect also some issues because this is an alpha release, but thanks to your feedbacks and to the usage of the app, we can definitely improve the status of the application. So here from the website, you can also download the application. Currently, it's available only for macOS and Linux. Windows release will come in a future release. And yeah, also here you can see the documentation of the app. So if you have problems, you want to understand better how everything works, here you can see everything from, for example, how to create a new wallet, how to open new channels, and so on. So here on GitHub, you can also see at Kaleidoswap desktop app, the open source release of the application. So here you can go on release and download the application also from here. So that's all.